How to clean ceramic stovetop. Cleaning glass stovetop. Welcome to this channel, Homemaking Made Simple for Modern Women. My name is Florence at Straka.com. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clean ceramic stovetop or a glass top. Makes it look new again. So let's dive right in. Before we start cleaning our ceramic stovetop or glass top, I use warm water. I'm going to use ceramic cooktop cleaning agent. This really helps me a lot to get everything clean off the stove. We are going to use a soap pad that helps a lot, and then you can see that in there, and I just use that. Also, what I do is I try to clean. This is filthy as well, all this. So I am going to spray this first of all, so it will be cleaning with awesome, and that will take all the dirt off. You can see how that dirt is. All that is gonna come off. Look at that. Then by the time we finish cleaning the stove top, we'll just wipe that off. All right, so I just start cleaning this. You can see all the bent, because I use this pattern a lot, so you can see all the bent part. See how it's just cleaning so fast. It's taking all the edge off and make it new again. Cleaning ceramic stove top, cleaning neatly, this really helps. Let me just go over this again, like that. I don't use this side that much, so this doesn't look bent at all. And I use this side a lot as well. Look at how it's taking the edge. Look, you see how these are, all this around. Just wipe that off so you can see the difference. You see how that is all bent, and we're gonna take that off right away. See how it's gone? Yeah, it's gone. That's how simple and easy this is to clean your stove top, especially ceramic. It catches bent so easily, but look at how clean that gone. See if I'm gonna try it on this one. And see how that all been clean. How clean that is. And we're just gonna wipe that off. Clean every part. Alright, so that's, once this is done, we just wipe it off. And look at that. Look how clean that looks. This off. And now we are going to clean here. You can see how filthy that looks. And we just wipe. Look at that filth, it's gone. Just wipe and get all that dirt off. This filth. And we are just going to a little bit more. We use awesome, and this cleans like magic. Look at how that is all done. Look at that. Get everything clean off here. Just wipe all that off. So we got everything clean. Now all we do is just wipe everything off. Wipe this off. This side off. Wipe the stove. Go over it. Make sure everything is wiped down nicely, neat. All that is wiped down. See, stove top. Now take a look at our stove top. Look at how clean it is. It looks new again. And that's so to do at our top here. It's wiped off. Everything is clean and white, neat, and the stove top is neat as well. It's perfect. And that's how you clean stove top. Clean a ceramic stove top or a glass stove top. I show you how to clean ceramic stovetop or a glass stovetop, and we deep clean from top to down. Make sure everything is clean. You can see how neat it is from here. Everything is clean and neat. We have it all clean from top and down, and it looks almost like new again. And so it is just a simple process. As you can see, it's all done and it's perfect. Look at that clean stovetop that you want. I hope this video has helped you how to clean ceramic stovetop or a glass top if that's what you have. A soap pad, I use sponge, and then I use ceramic cooktop. I use that to make sure I get everything clean off the stove. So I hope this video has helped you to be able to clean your own stovetop. It doesn't matter which stovetop you have. As long as you know how to manage it, you maintain it neatly. So video that will come up for you to know how to deep clean microwave inside and out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you as always. I thank you very much for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you. Bye bye. Take care.